Hi everybody, welcome to the official unboxing of Mantra Move's 60-day guided manifestation journal. As you can see, each journal comes in this beautifully designed box, inside and out. And once you open, you see there is a pen and a note card. The note cards do vary a little bit. This one says especially for you, and they're all either a feather or dried flowers. And then getting into the journal itself. As you can see, there are beautiful mantras to remind us just how special you are. The cover of the journal, we have a elastic gold band, gold edging, and also a gold ribbon. One thing that really sets this journal apart is it is also a art and photography book. Original photography, beautiful colors, rich textures, beautiful thick pages, and it really feels lovely to write on. As you can see in the beginning here, a bunch of different activations to really guide our journaling. So it's so important to really get specific about what we want to call in. Usually when you pick up a journal, that means you want to change, shift, up-level something in your life. So we want to get as crystal clear as we can about that before we move into our daily pages. So I say take a week or two to work through these first activations, right? Really take a look at your life. We use the life wheel. We look at all the different categories so you can prioritize what's most important to you right now. That way you direct all of your energy in one direction towards that goal for greater magnetism, for greater manifestation. Once we define our goal, we start to break it down into simple steps and then visualize it. We have a few pages for vision boarding. Then we make our way into the daily pages. So again, there are 60 days of daily journaling. You add your own dates, so if you miss a day, no pressure, it's your 60 days, nobody else's. Each day you'll find your daily check-ins, rituals to really uplift our life, energize our body, just gentle reminders, things like meditating, sharing a smile, eating well, sleeping well. And then we have our morning intentions, gratitude expressions, evening reflections, and as you'll see here, our daily mantra. So the mantras we work with for 1 week, and underneath the mantra is where you will repeat the mantra. So not only are we mentally repeating it, we're also repeating it with our hand, adding muscle memory, adding more energy and focus towards those words. The words that we speak to ourselves become the house we live in, and we want to live in the most abundant, glorious, beautiful house. After 30 days, there's a midway check-in, and then for the remainder of the 30 days, you start to create your own mantras because we are our own best teachers. You'll start to learn what words really resonate with you, and then you create the words that mean the most. At the end, there's final reflections. We check back in to all those aspects that we worked on in the beginning of the journal and see what shifted. 60 days is a really sizable chunk where we can make real change, but also not so much where we get distracted. And that's super important when we're trying to call in something. At the end of the book, there's more mantras, more photography to inspire your creativity, yantras, and also these end pages, they are perforated. So if you wanted, you could pull them out of your journal. Especially nice for the yantra pages, which are meant to be meditated on upon a white wall. So there is your Mantra Move 60-day guided journal. This is great to work with on your own, with a friend, with a coach. I wish you all the best. Namaste. Welcome to Mantra Moves. Peace and love.